Hello everybody, this is Kyle Speed 1, not coming to you from the racetrack. Today, I'm showing off something that I got from Race Track Scenics. And it holds, 36 cars? And it's this display shelving unit that I have all of my Carrera cars in it. Goes all the way to there, and then from here on out they're different cars. Some of them are George Turner cars, like those two. Some are flies, some are scale-electric, some are custom printed cars from the Area 71. There's some more fly cars. Revell monogram. Some of these cars you may have already I'm so sorry, excuse me. Some of these cars you might already recognize from being in other videos. But today I wanted to show you this shelving unit for organizing slot cars when you start running out of room. You can build these yourself, or you can go to Race Track Scenics and purchase the 1/32 scale organizer for your slot cars, so you can wall mount it and display your cars. I've got mine in my workshop slash dining area slash computer area in my house. And I tell you what, I haven't painted it. I've just put it together with wood glue, and I like it. I like it a lot. A lot of these cars, some of them don't have containers, their own containers. And plus, as you know, if you bought Carrera slot cars, you know that their containers that the slot cars come in are big, and they take up a lot of space. Now, this thing comes with two different types of things to keep your cars from resting on the wheels and getting flat spot in your rubber. These that are angled, so as you display them, it's at an angle so your tires don't touch. And then you got the second type, which there's more of this type. And I left mine loose. I didn't glue them because I wanted to be able to change this up however I wanted. Here's the second type. It fits flush, if I can do this. Yeah, it fits flush down on here, and you can take your car and put it up there, and now the wheels don't touch the shelving unit floor, putting flat spots in your car, in your tires. So I'll tell you right now, I was just putting this off because of the price. Right now on Race Track Scenics, it's $80. A little over $80 for this unit. minus slot cars, of course. All right. And that whining sound you hear is another car that I'm fixing to do a video on in a couple of days, okay? I'm just running it in on the track. And I'll explain further. But yeah, it's got, let's see, it's got the slots for your guide going this way or this way. So you can position that car in there any which way you want. All right. And like in my example, I got them going to and towards each other. And you can switch them around however you want. It doesn't matter. It's all universal. Same thing with these angled ones up here. You can put that car the other way around. Doesn't matter. So I just wanted to make a short little video about Race Track Scenics slot car wall mount organizer. And yeah, you can paint these things. You can stain it. You can do it however you want or leave it all natural, however you want it. I haven't made up my mind whether or not I want to paint this or not. I'll save that for the spring. And for now, I'll talk to y'all later. Hope you enjoyed it. Bye.